Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alara Couture, and today we're gonna do some crafting with no sewing, glue only. So bring out your liquid glue, your spray glue, your gun glue, and any other glue that you guys have, and let's start making this project. So for this tutorial, you will need a zigzag scissors, a tailor scissors. One of them will do the job just as fine. A liquid charcoal, you can have a normal one. A silicone brush, liquid glue, tape measure, your box, your carbon box, sorry, and your beautiful African print. I highly recommend to get two different color to make the color popping if you're using a lead. If not, you can still using a different color on the inside to still look exquisite. So yeah, so this fabric, by the way, is on stock right now, and the link will be down in the description box if you wish to purchase this particular fabric. So yeah, so this fabric already come in two different color. That's the reason I choose it for this particular project. So I'll obviously separate the yellow and the blue one first, and then I bought the size of the lid, which is approximately 20 inches, and I just fold them around. Always get a little bit bigger than what you need, and then I trim the edges of camera. I spread the glue everywhere, and I add just a little bit more on the edges just to make sure that everything is nice and steady and keep on popping. While you're there, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so, please. If you like African print, or and I like the video, please, because it obviously take time to make it, and um, you know, just say, hey, I like what you do. I just spray, I just pack it with my hand, and I'm using heavy books to apply pressure on it. I did used to do sewing book tutorial, sorry, sewing book review, and I don't get that many views, so I stopped doing it. But if you want me to do it for some of you guys, I'll be more than happy to do it. I really like to do book review. As you can see, I do have a lot of book sewing book. Alright, so the second place where I was folding it gave me a little bit of trouble, so I used the blade to open on the other side, and it still wasn't working. I was like, no, not today, girl. Let's have a job well done. And it was still not working, so I give in and I apply some glue because me no time. If you have a glue gun, I highly recommend, or if you have spray glue as well, I highly recommend. The spray glue is somewhere in my office, is playing hide and seek with me. So now I'm doing the body and placing glue on the box first, and when this is done, I'll just spread it just like so. And I also recommend to use a gloves when you're doing that, and to protect your table as well. So when I did that, I placed the fabric as close to the edge as I could. And once again, I'm placing my sewing books on top to apply pressure. So this is how I look when I place glue all around it. And now I'm cutting the corner. When you're cutting the corner, make sure to get as close as the edge as you can. And this one as well. when placing the glue, make sure to place the glue as close to the edge as you can. And once again, I highly recommend to use the gloves when you're doing these projects. But for aesthetic purpose, I don't normally use it. And once I apply the glue inside, I place the glue on the fabric, not on the box. And then I use the chalk and I walk around to remove the excess of fabric. Once this is done, I place the lining inside. If you don't have a lining around, you can use a A4 format white paper and just place the glue inside as well. But because I do have excess of fabric, so I don't mind to use my own. I'm just Alright, since we got a little bit of time, I'm just gonna go and I have a look at what you say on my previous glue videos, and you can press the I button to watch the video that I did before. And Princess said, thank you for sharing, you should sell the diary. Yeah, at the moment it's me, myself and I, and I'm still working on it. Then Hazel said, this is so creative. Thank you very much, Hazel. I appreciate you, your positive feedback. And Shamila Kadiatu Omoyumi, sorry for butchering your name, asked me which glue I'm using. So that's the reason why I've been pushing out all the glue I'm using. So don't say that I'm trying to sell product or I'm sponsor. I ain't sponsor, but any sponsor is more than welcome. But I'm showing the glue I'm using because you guys asked for it. Alright, thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Please be sure to subscribe on your way out if you haven't done so. If you did, thank you very much. Every subscription is highly appreciated. And I know I haven't been consistent with posting videos, but you show me love is very much appreciated. And your like as well, because again, it took me time to do these videos, and I'm doing it for you guys. So give me a like, please. If you have any suggestion, if you want me to do something else, please leave it in the comments, and I will try my best to do it as well. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok. I haven't started posting anything on TikTok and Twitter. Has been a long time as well. Anywho, have a blessed week, and I'm looking forward to see you really soon. Hopefully next Tuesday, if not the other Tuesday. No, I won't be there Tuesday. Next Tuesday. All right. I need to go now. Bye.